If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Nikola Tesla. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, there exists an intricate web of energy that permeates every aspect of existence, from the subtle vibrations of subatomic particles to the cosmic dance of galaxies. The energy of the universe, of God, holds the key to understanding the mysteries of life itself. If you want to learn of this energy and how to apply it to your life for a higher level of consciousness, peace, satisfaction, and success, we are about to embark on a journey to explore the profound concept of universal energy and the transformative power of raising one's vibration and consciousness. When seeking to decipher the language of the universe, it's essential to shift our perspective from conventional communication methods to the realm of vibration. Unlike spoken language, which relies on words and syntax with the potential for misinterpretation, the universe communicates through vibrational frequencies. Everything in the cosmos emits a unique, energetic signature, and by attuning ourselves to these vibrations, we can tap into the universal wisdom that surrounds us. Vibration refers to the frequency at which energy oscillates within a given system. Every object, thought, and emotion emits its own unique vibrational frequency, which interacts with the vibrational field of the universe. While vibration is often associated with sound and light, it also encompasses the more subtle realms of emotion, thought, and consciousness. Consciousness, at its essence, is a state of being made up of awareness, thoughts, and emotions. Thoughts, emotions, and intentions, which are thoughts of decision, carry energetic signatures that ripple outward, influencing the energetic landscape of our reality. The law of resonance states that like attracts like. The objects or systems with similar vibrational frequencies are naturally drawn to each other. Just as tuning forks of identical pitch resonate in harmony when struck, individuals, circumstances, and experiences that align with our energetic frequency are magnetically attracted into our lives. Some may call this the law of attraction, but the law of attraction has become a mishmash of terms, concepts, and laws, and is actually a secondary law combined of three other universal laws: the law of assumption, the law of vibration, and the law of resonance. We will discuss this in a future video. Now, resonance operates on both a personal and collective level, shaping our relationships, circumstances, and opportunities. When we resonate with high vibrational states such as love, joy, and abundance, we effortlessly attract corresponding energies into our reality. Renowned psychiatrist and spiritual teacher David Hawkins introduced the groundbreaking concept of power versus force, outlining the hierarchical levels of consciousness that permeate human experience and the frequency of emotions. According to Hawkins, consciousness operates on a spectrum ranging from lower vibrational states, characterized by fear, shame, and guilt, to higher vibrational states of love, joy, and enlightenment. By raising our consciousness to higher levels, we can transcend limitations and access the boundless potential of the universe. Individuals operating from a state of force rely on coercion, manipulation, and control to exert influence over others and their environment. Force is rooted in ego-driven desires for dominance and external validation, leading to conflict, suffering, and stagnation. In contrast, power embodies the higher levels of consciousness marked by love, compassion, and spiritual alignment. Those operating from a state of power recognize the interconnectedness of all beings and act from a place of inner strength, authenticity, and integrity. Power emanates from a deep sense of inner peace, surrender, and trust in the universal intelligence guiding the unfolding of life. Allow me 2 minutes to explain the levels of consciousness. I promise, this understanding will pay spiritual dividends to you and those you choose to surround yourself with. Hawkins' work introduced a scale of consciousness ranging from 0 to 1,000, with each level corresponding to a distinct energetic frequency and mode of perception. Here are some key points along the scale. Shame carries a score of 20. At the lowest end of the spectrum, shame is characterized by feelings of worthlessness, self-loathing, and despair. Individuals operating from this level are consumed by feelings of inadequacy and often struggle to break free from self-destructive patterns. If you are here, don't fret. I started here as well, and now operate at a level much closer to 500. Guilt, apathy, and grief all come in under fear, which carries a score of 100. Fear encompasses a pervasive sense of anxiety, insecurity, and anticipation of negative outcomes. Those operating from fear often feel trapped by limiting beliefs and resist stepping outside their comfort zones. Desire, with a score of 125, reflects a yearning for external fulfillment and validation. Individuals driven by desire seek happiness and satisfaction through material possessions, achievements, and relationships, yet often find themselves caught in a cycle of craving and dissatisfaction. Pride at 175 involves an inflated sense of self-importance and superiority. Courage, with a score of 200, marks a pivotal shift in consciousness, characterized by empowerment, determination, and resilience. This is the first truly positive level of consciousness. Willingness, acceptance, and reason are steps higher, en route to love at 500, embodying a profound sense of unity with all beings. Enlightenment sits at 1000, the pinnacle of spiritual evolution. At this level of consciousness, individuals experience a profound sense of oneness with all of creation. They transcend the egoic mind and perceive reality from a state of pure awareness, an unshakable sense of inner peace, bliss, and unconditional love. They embody the highest virtues such as compassion, humility, and wisdom. So how do you go from shame, which is 20, to love or even enlightenment? The key is through awareness and understanding. If you understand where you are on the scale, you can begin to see the next step. So if you're at shame, the next step might be guilt, then apathy or grief, fear, anger, pride, and acceptance, love, and onto enlightenment, should you be deft and dedicated enough to reach it. The next question that arises is, how do I take those steps? If you want to tune into the frequency, the radio station of love, you have to bring your frequency, your vibration, your energy, up to that level. To harness the transformative power of vibration and the law of resonance in our lives, consider incorporating the following practices into your daily routine. Cultivate present moment awareness of your thoughts, emotions, and energetic state. Notice how different experiences impact your vibrational frequency and choose to align with those that uplift and inspire you. Allow yourself to fully experience and express your emotions while consciously choosing those that serve your highest good. Cultivate emotions such as love, gratitude, and compassion to elevate your vibrational frequency and attract positive outcomes. Release any negative emotions or thought patterns that may be blocking the flow of positive energy in your life through acceptance and letting go of old painful stories that don't serve you. Banish and replace all limiting beliefs. Let go of attachments to material possessions and egoic desires that no longer serve your highest good. You don't have to give away all your worldly possessions. It's okay to own things and want to experience things that cost money. Just don't let those things own or control you. Engage in activities that bring you joy, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose. Follow your passions, pursue your dreams, and surround yourself with people and experiences that resonate with your authentic self. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude for the abundance and blessings present in your life. Express gratitude daily through journaling, prayer, or simply offering heartfelt thanks to God or the universe. Prioritize self-care activities such as exercise, nutritious diet, adequate sleep, and time in nature to nurture your physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Surround yourself with uplifting people, environments, and experiences that inspire and energize you. When seeking to communicate with the universe, it's essential to transcend the limitations of spoken language and tap into the intuitive realm of vibration. Rather than relying solely on verbal expression, pay attention to the energetic resonance underlying every interaction and experience. Set clear intentions aligned with your highest values, aspirations, and desires. Infuse your intentions with positive emotion and visualize them manifesting with effortless ease and grace. Listen to your intuition. It serves as our inner compass, guiding us through the currents of energy that flow through the cosmos. By honing our intuitive faculties, we can discern the subtle vibrations of truth, authenticity, and alignment with our soul's purpose. If you only take one concept from this video, make it this: every thought, emotion, and intention emits a unique energetic signature that reverberates throughout the universe. By cultivating positive emotions such as love, gratitude, and compassion, we amplify our vibrational frequency and attract corresponding energies into our lives. If you want to attract people, material things, experiences into your life, Focus on the vibration you put forth into the universe, for God grants not based on thoughts of what you want, but on your feelings and focus. Through mindful awareness and intentional practice, we can co-create a reality infused with the emotions associated with a higher level of consciousness. May you embrace the profound wisdom of vibration and resonate with the beauty and magic of existence. If you would like to go deeper and learn about more universal and spiritual laws that make up the universe, watch this video here and subscribe if you want to raise your consciousness and live a life without limits.